Good morning, everyone. In this class, we are going to discuss about the expressions and the precedents and how we are going to evaluate the expressions. What actually an expression is? Generally, you will write then since from the school days, we are going to have the concept called as expressions in maths. That is, whenever you will write an expression with the combination of some arithmetic operations or a plus b into c is equal to some value, some expression is equal to some value you are going to write, then that is called as your equation or expression. Okay, now an expression in C is some combination of constants, variables, operators and function calls. Say for example, C is equal to a plus b. This is one type of expression. Tan of some angle, some tan 90, tan 60. This is also one of the expression. Most expressions have a value based on their content. A statement in C is just an expression terminated with a semicolon. Say for example, sum is equal to x plus y plus z, semicolon. That means you are performing the addition on x, y and z and you are storing in the variable sum. So here one thing you have to notice is generally you are going to have L value, that is your sum value, as the value to be stored, the variable where you are going to store. You can write x is equal to y also. What do you mean by that? The y value is assigned to x. Okay, and here sum is equal to x plus y plus z. In maths, you will have the option like x plus y plus z is equal to sum, one and the same. But here in the programming language, never you will have the operations to be performed on L value. Okay, you will, what all the operations you are going to perform on the L value, that will be on the right hand side and you will save that in the left hand side. Precedence and associativity of the operators. Operators precedence here. Various relation operators have previously we have discussed about the operators. So operators, if in an expression, if you are coming across with a plus b into c, you may be getting a doubt which operation I have to perform first, whether the plus operation or into operation. So for deciding which operation to be performed first will be decided by the precedence and associativity of the operators. First we will go with the precedence. The various relational operators have different priorities or precedences. If an arithmetic expression contains more operators, then the execution will be performed according to their properties. The precedence is set for different operators in C. That means you are going to have 8 operators in your C and 8 operators will have a different precedence. Does x plus y into k mean add I and j then multiply with the resultant x? No. That is your maths. Generally here, if you omit any parenthesis, then these precedence rules will determine the meaning or the order in which you have to evaluate. See here type of operator, operators and associativity. Associativity we will discuss later. Now union operators, arithmetic operators. So among all the operators, unary operators will be having the highest priority. Then arithmetic operators, bit manipulation, relational, logical, conditional and assignment operator. Among all the operators, comma operator will have the least precedence. Now, what do you mean by this operator associativity? When this associativity will be coming into picture? When you have an expression contains 2 or more operators with equal priority or equal precedence, then this will come into picture. Say for example, plus minus plus minus will have the equal priority. Then in an expression a plus b minus c, which operation I have to perform, whether plus or minus, that will be decided by the associativity. Some operators will have left to right associativity and right to left associativity. An operator is right associativity if it groups from right to left. Left associativity if it groups from left to right. And this unary arithmetic operators like plus and minus will have Both will have the right associativity only. Here you have to define this one. Precedence rules decide the order in which different operators are applied. Associativity rule decides the order in which the multiple occurrences of the same level operator are applied. Hierarchy of operators in C. The higher the position of an operator is, higher is its priority. When an expression contains two operators of equal priority, the tie between them is settled using the associativity. Is it clear? Associativity, generally you will have two types, left to right and right to left. See here, one expression I am having 3 by 2 into 5. By and into will have the equal priority. Here there is a tie between the operators of same priority, that is by and into. Now you have to check for the associativity. So here the associativity is left to right. That means you have to evaluate first by, then followed by into. That is 3 by 2 will give you only the quotient 1. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. And here is the table clearly shown the associativity and the precedence. The first rank goes to this operators plus plus, postfix increment, postfix decrement, function call, array subscript, structure member and structure to pointer. This will have the associativity from left to right. The second one will be this one. That is pre-increment, pre-decrement, unary plus, unary minus, logical not, bitwise not, type, indirection operator, that is for your pointers, and is meant for your address, size of. This will be having the second priority and the associativity will be always from right to left. The third one is into, by and modulus. This is a part of your arithmetic operator and this is from left to right. Mostly the associativity only except for two things you are going to have everything left to right. The fourth one is plus minus. And the fifth one is left shift and right shift. The sixth priority is relational operators, 6th and 7th. That is, in the 6th you will have less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. In the 7th one it is double equal to and not equal to. And both the 6th and the 7th priority is also coming under left to right associativity. And the 8th one is bitwise and. From 8 till 10, 8, 9, 10 is your bitwise operators and XOR and OR respectively. The 11th one is logical. 11th, 12th and 12th one. 11th and 12th are logical operators. That is also from left to right. 13th one is question mark colon. So which operator it is? It is your S, exactly, conditional operator. So it is also from left to right. 14th one is all your assignment operators, equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, and all those things combinations. That is from right to left. Assignment operators will always be from right to left. And the last one is your comma operator, left to right. The least priority operator is your comma operator. We will see one example here. 2 into 3 by 4 plus 4 by 4 plus 8 minus 2 plus 5 by 8. So it is a combination of into, by, plus and minus. These are the four operators we are coming across with. Now among these four, into, by, plus and minus, which is having the highest priority? Into and by is having the highest priority. Next is plus and minus. Now you are having 1 into and 3 divisions. So it is from left to right. So 2 into 3 is 6 by 4 remaining value. Next this one 6 by 4 is 1 and 1 plus 4, sorry here we are missing, by 4 plus 8 minus 2, 5 by 8. So this one is 1 and this value is 0. Now addition you will do, 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 8 minus 2 plus 0. So here it is 10 minus 2 plus 0. Now 8 plus 0, the answer is 8. This is about the expression their presidents and thank you.